How to pick your teeth without a toothpick. Have you got something stuck in your teeth, but there's no toothpick around? Sometimes you might have to be creative to find something that you can use to pick your teeth that won't risk damaging your gums. There are a number of options, so take a look around and see what you have to hand. Whatever you use, be careful not poke your gums or you might cut or damage them. Method 1. Using an alternative dental device. 1. Use some floss. The absolutely ideal thing to use to tackle anything stuck between your teeth is some dental floss. If you have some handy, or keep some in your desk drawer at work, this is your best choice. This is the safest and most effective way to clean out food from between your teeth. Break off a length of floss that is about a foot long. Then wrap each end around your 2 index fingers so you have about 2 inches of floss between your fingers to work with. Pass this through the gap between your teeth to work the food out. Try to keep the floss tightly pressed against your tooth so you don't risk cutting your gums. 2. Try a flossing stick. If you don't carry floss around with you, or you find it awkward to use when you are out and about, there is a more convenient alternative. Flossing sticks are small plastic devices that have Y shape at the end. Between the 2 points of the Y there is a small length of floss which you can use discreetly to clean up any stuck food. If you have a couple of these in your desk, they are even preferable to a toothpick. Flossing sticks will mean you can avoid fiddling around with long lengths of floss and get the job done quickly and efficiently. 3. Consider an interdental brush. If you don't have floss but still want to have a dentist-approved device to pick your teeth, you can try using an interdental brush. These are smaller than a normal toothbrush and are specifically designed to get in between your teeth. They are available in a variety of sizes from your pharmacy or dentist, are a good alternative to floss, and a safe way to clean out any food that has gotten stuck between your teeth. Method 2. Using a makeshift toothpick. 1. Try using a piece of thread. If you don't have floss, you can use a piece of thread as a substitute. It will basically do the same job but will be less strong and is more liable to get stuck or break. One good thing about thread is that it's not hard to find. You might be able to tease out a short length of thread from whatever you are wearing to use as makeshift floss. Wrap the ends around your index fingers as you would with floss and work it through your teeth. Take extra care because it doesn't take much to break it. 2. Search around for an alternative. If you don't have any toothpicks, floss, or an interdental brush, it's time to start looking around for things with a flattened point that are not sharp and which you can safely put in your mouth. There are a number of options that can work if you are lucky. Try folding over a piece of paper and using this as a makeshift toothpick, or alternatively try using a business card. A drinking straw can be manipulated to fit between your teeth and dislodge a bit of food, but be careful. There is a danger that you could get whatever you use as a toothpick stuck between your teeth. Be sure only to use something that is disposable and not important. 3. Try using your fingernail. If all else fails and you have long fingernails, you can try to work out some stuck food by sliding a fingernail down the side of the affected tooth. If you do this, be sure to slide down from just below the gum line if the food is stuck in the upper layer of teeth. If the food is stuck in one of your bottom layer teeth, slide your nail upwards away from the gum line. Doing this will ensure that you are not moving your nail towards your gums, which could result in your finger slipping and you cutting the gum. Be sure to wash your hands before and after doing this. Because of the risk of damaging gums, many dentists don't recommend the use of toothpicks at all. Warnings. Avoid anything sharp or pointed such as paperclips, pins, ballpoint pen nibs, or any other metal object.